Hi there and welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to visit with you about one of my favorite locations to photograph birds, especially birds in flight. The great thing about this location is you probably have a similar location close to your home, at least if you live in the eastern United States. You might find any number of species of waterfowl circling around these locations. Maybe gulls, herons, egrets, occasionally pelicans if you're far enough south, maybe even osprey or eagles. The location I'm talking about is a dam, more specifically, a dam that generates electricity, or a hydroelectric dam. There's something about a hydroelectric dam that routinely attracts several species of waterfowl to pluck fish from the water below the dam. Something about intake tubes and turbines. I won't bother you with the gory details. I know it might not be exciting for the fish, but the flurry of activity downstream from these structures can provide you with endless opportunities to photograph birds in flight. I found you have to visit a dam a few times to determine the best photography location. And be warned, you must obey the signs posted for your safety. You might arrive at a dam and the water below the dam is very low, so you're tempted to get down level with the water to get that killer shot of the osprey diving for a fish. But keep in mind, the dam may start generating at any time. They usually have sirens and flashing lights, and most even post their generating times, but just be careful and always have an escape plan in case the water starts rising suddenly for you and your gear. Then there's the overachiever. Here, let me help you with that. Nope. I think he finally gave up. As with most wildlife photography, mornings and evenings are the best time of day for photographing birds below the dam. Birds in flight require lots of light to allow for a fast enough shutter speed to freeze the motion. Herons and egrets can sometimes be found stalking along the edges, so a slower shutter speed will work for them. But you can get shots of them flying to and from the shoreline, so be ready to quickly quicken your shutter for those flight shots. Sometimes I've found the best location is near the base of the dam at a safe location, and other times I've been well downstream from the dam. I've camped at the Pickwick Dam campground near Savannah, Tennessee. The campground is several hundred yards downstream from the dam. I was able to just walk a short distance from my campsite to a sandy beach and photograph osprey diving for fish. It seems these fish were stunned by the turbines and floated to the surface well downstream from the dam, where they regained consciousness and started flopping about on the surface of the water, alerting the cruising osprey of their presence. One of the most popular dams in the wildlife photography community, especially for bald eagles, is Conowingo Dam in Darlington, Maryland. These are some clips and photos from that location. Be warned though, if you go in late November, you'll have plenty of company, as this is a very popular spot for photographers. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe if you'd like to see more like this.